Hi everyone, I have an update for you on ChatGPT. OpenAI has released a tweet saying that we've learned a lot from ChatGPT research preview and have been making important updates based on your feedback. And that feedback, that update is will be coming, ChatGPT will be coming to our API and Microsoft Azure OpenAI services soon. Right, so for that, if you want if you want to stay tuned, you have to click this form and you have to fill it up, the same form which I showed you just a while ago. Okay, so the same form is also available for you in OpenAI website on the sign up page. Not only that, and it's telling you, giving you an update that it is available in Microsoft Azure OpenAI service. That's the most important news for us. So you can leverage OpenAI now in Microsoft Azure. Microsoft also gave Microsoft also gave a tweet here, and then in azure.microsoft.com they gave a beautiful explanation on what exactly happened. Microsoft AI breakthroughs, the timeline, what exactly happened from 2016 to 2022, and what happened now in 2022. Now, the main question comes is why Microsoft or why Microsoft Azure? You already have OpenAI, you can leverage OpenAI capabilities, its API, and we can use it, right? Why Microsoft? There's so much of debate going on. Why Microsoft? The main reason, in this website or in this page, he gave you all the answers. So what exactly is he giving you in Microsoft's Azure OpenAI service? There are three capabilities. If you see here, Azure OpenAI service now generally available for more businesses, including what? These are the three capabilities. GPT 3.5, the better than GPT-3. GPT 3.5, Codex and DALL. GPT, it's the model for all your text related. Codex also explain you, it's all for the coding related, for all your coding. And then what's exactly this DALL? This is for the picture related or image related. Later maybe I'll take a tutorial for DALL also. So these three capabilities are in Microsoft Azure OpenAI service. You may ask me, it's also in OpenAI. What? Why would I sign up for Microsoft Azure? It is for, see there, backed by trusted enterprise grade capabilities, security. Big companies, fintech, banking, all the large companies, manufacturing, all those who already are partners or customers with Microsoft, already they are using these cloud-based capabilities. For them, this is most important, the security of their data. Because I'm taking OpenAI's model, right? I'm fine-tuning it with my own data. And if I fine-tune it, what about my data security? Microsoft Azure has that security. That's where he wins. That is why, backed by trusted enterprise grade capabilities, and of course, AI optimized infrastructure for Microsoft Azure. So he will be assuring the security part. That's where he wins. That's where all the customers can use now this ChatGPT, a fine-tuned version of 3.5 that has been trained and runs on Azure AI infrastructure, which will be available for all of us soon. That's the new update. And if it is working, I mean, if it is in the air now, how are you going to use it. How are you going to leverage the capabilities of it? You have to go to portal.azure.com. In this portal.azure.com, of course, you need a sign-in account. You can sign up for free as well. You need a sign-in account, sign in, and then here you create a resource. In the resource, you search for OpenAI. Here you see Azure OpenAI. You create it. You have to give a resource group, and then you have to give a region. You have to give a name. But we cannot do it now. Why? There's a restriction. What restriction? If you want to use Microsoft Azure OpenAI Service, you need to fill up a form. They will scrutinize that application, and then after 10 business working days, they will revert back to us. Only after that, we can use Azure OpenAI Service. What's that form? Can you see here? It's currently available to customers via an application process. Request. Okay, click on it. There's a form for you. Request access to Azure OpenAI Service. Please read all the instructions very carefully. It takes a while for you to understand everything, and he gives you the capabilities. All the three again: GPT 3.5, Codex, and DALL. I'll take another video for you for explaining what exactly is DALL. For now, let us see what's this application form all about. It's not a general form, huh? You have to fill it up very carefully. You need to give your name, Azure. All these are common, but very important thing. Without a company address, your application will be denied. As I told you, why will you use Microsoft Azure? Because companies use it. Big companies are already partners or already customers for it, right? Those companies use it. That particular company employee has to register in this application process using company email ID. So Hotmail Gmail output will be denied. Your company name, company address, city, and everything, that's the most important. And all these are common. How many in your company, what sector, and everything. Then you need to give 5 sentences on how you will use this service. Are you going to use this service for NLP modeling? Are you going to use this service for coding? Are you for what exactly are you going to use? Are you using it for fine tuning? Right? So one user, one model only. Again, I repeat. Why? You need to give, of course, 5 sentences here. Why? See here, he gave you the reasons for denial. The application was more than one use case. Example, expressing interest in DALL while also applying for a text-to-code scenario. So meaning from that company, one user, one subscription. I mean, they have their own restrictions given. Right? So be careful when you're registering this service, and then after 10 business working days, he'll give you. Right? So until then, I also have to wait. I've just finished up my application form. So I'll have to wait for 10 business working days. After 10 business working days only, I can show you how this Azure OpenAI service can be created and how to leverage on it. So meanwhile, until the ChatGPT is fixed, because until now it's not fixed up, right? Until it is fixed, you use this workaround in Playground. And let's all wait for Microsoft Azure OpenAI service to launch, and then thereby we can use its capabilities also. If you like this video, smash the like button and subscribe for more and more videos. Thank you very much.